going crazy. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Buster! No! 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 No!
Yeah! Yeah! Yay! Yay!
Not yet. Not yet. There it is.
Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here.
What's this? Come here.
Every woman should hear Jody's story. Jody was always healthy.
Her pap was always normal. Still, I recommended she also get the HPV test. Her pap looked fine. The HPV test showed
She had a virus that could cause cervical cancer.
most HPV infections don't cause problems, but another exam confirmed she had cervical disease.
Jody's story has a happy ending.
We caught it before it became cancer. So if you're 30 or over, make sure you get the HPV test along with your pap. HPV test from Kaiser. Take the test, not 30s. Well, so with the balance alert, you set up your own balance, and then we email you if you hit that balance.
Buster!
Why?
Buster!
Well, to protect you from unauthorized activities and help you avoid fees. Right, fees. And that was kind of, no, this helps you avoid fees. Right, but what's the fee to avoid the fee? Just tell me. Nothing. Really? Yes. This looks like, right? On this one night in New York, we get a taste of old school dishes with a modern flair and slide into the area's newest water park resort. Plus, we check out Chicago's karaoke scene, hit the ring with some tiny boxers, and hang out with a few Hollywood stars.